How to bold text on Facebook bio. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to bold text on your Facebook bio. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open Facebook right here. And before you open it, you actually also have to make sure if it is up to date. So just to visit your App Store or your Play Stores to check on that. And first, we're gonna need to navigate to the Facebook bio and see on where we can edit it. So to do that, let's just click on the menu option at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, we can go to our profile by clicking on our profile icon or our name. And now you should be at your profile page. And from here, we can click on this edit profile option right over here, right beside the add to story option. Let's just click on that. And you should see the section that says bio, and aligned with it is the edit option. So let's just click on edit and click on edit bio from here. And what we're going to do here is to actually select all the text that we have in our bio. And as you can see, there is no option to bold the text, so let's just copy that. And let's get out of the Facebook application and go to Safari or any browser that you prefer, like Google Chrome or any other browsers. And let's just type in or search for bold text generator, like that. And you can go to the site right here that says LingoJam, just click on that. And then let's just simply paste the text that we have copied from this space that says normal text goes here. Just click on paste. And immediately it will generate bold texts in different fonts. So you can just scroll through and copy the one that you like. So I'm just going to copy this one right here because it is simple and it is in bold text. Just click on copy once you have selected the text you want. Let's go back to Facebook and just click on paste right here. Just click on save once you have inserted the text that you want. And when we go back to our profile, that should already be in bold text. So that is how you can basically bold text on Facebook bio. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.